When I was growing up, I always felt like I was meant for more. My time in the military taught me a lot about the importance of leadership and humility. They broke me down to nothing and built me back up more durable than ever. When I got out of the military in 2005, I worked a few odd-end jobs, but I still felt like I was meant for more. In 2008, I decided to take on entrepreneurship by opening my own business. I already had experience with diesel, but had no idea what I was in for.
So this is my first location. It's a lot different now. We're in the back. We're in a one-bay shop. This is where I started. Oil changes only. We were just doing oil changes, maybe a little bit of tire work, until I was able to save up enough money, enough capital to buy more tools and do more services. It's a lot different now. I'd like to show you back there, but it looks like Moore bought it out, Moore Disposal. Sylvester looks like he's up in the front now. He was back in the back with us. It was just a few shops when we first moved out here, but this is it. One bayer, single bay, no office. That's where we started. So this is the second location that we moved to. It started at a two-bay shop. When we first moved here, there was not a lot of people here. It was only like 2 shops. So we had a lot of space. It was a nice move. Over time, it got a lot more shops moved in. But this is where a lot of work, we did a lot of work here. 6 days a week, over 12, 13-hour days, maybe sometimes even longer than that. I remember on a Thanksgiving one year, I was here working. I wasn't even at home. It was Thanksgiving. I think I was the only one working that day at this location, but I was here pumping, getting work out, just building it nonstop. It never ended. Later, we moved on to a 3-bay shop, and I really started building a team. That's really when we started to grow out of this location. A lot of memories, a lot of hard work. So this is our third location. This is where we're currently at now. We've been here for almost 3 years now. This is where we do all our work, all our videos. But as I mentioned to you before, I always felt like we were meant for more. So I want to invite you on to our next chapter. Follow me. Okay guys, so this is our next chapter. We're gonna be doing a brand new building here in Dallas, right here off of Cleveland and Langdon Road. We're super excited about this brand new building. We've already got the plan signed, stamped, approved by Dallas. This has been a long process. This wasn't easy. I wanna say we started this back in 2019, July of 2019. Right now we're in May 10, 2020. Just recently closed on the property. We've already got our plans stamped, sealed, and approved, as I mentioned, through Dallas. Very excited. Not too much to see now. It's just all vegetation. We're going to be putting our building there. The approach is going to be closer to this light pole over here. We're going to have a large approach going up to the building. Like I mentioned, we're super excited about this. As you can tell, I can barely hold it in. I'm very excited. We're hoping to start construction in the next couple of weeks. Thanks again, guys, for all you guys' support. Thanks for all the viewers. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. We're going to be covering the construction in addition to all the content we already been sharing with you guys. Again, thanks for all your support. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell as well so you know next time we release another video, and you can join us during the construction as well. So until next time, guys, be safe. It's our property now. Very excited about this. Like I mentioned, we just closed on this property. Got the deed already transferred. We're ready for construction, guys. We're super excited about this. I'm super excited about it, as you can tell. Thanks again for everything. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Thanks again for everything.